This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming your device supports motion or live photos. This matters because not all stock apps use that name. Once done, free a little storage and grant camera and mic permissions so the feature can record brief motion. Open the camera app and select photo mode. Look for motion, live, or similar icon near the shutter. Tap that toggle to enable it. You'll see a brief on-screen cue. Now frame your subject and be ready to press the shutter. You should hold the phone steady because live captures motion before and after the shutter, usually 1 to 3 seconds, so movement and stabilization matter. Once the motion/live mode is active, tap the shutter once. That single tap records the short video clip plus a still image. Make sure you don't press and hold, which may trigger video or burst modes depending on the app. After capture, check the thumbnail preview and tap to review the live moment, scrubbing frames to confirm the best frame. You finish by reviewing the live photo. Open it, tap Edit, then pick a different keyframe or trim the motion to keep only the best moment. This improves composition and file size. If you want to share, export as GIF or MP4 using the Share or Export menu so others can view the motion outside Android. If there's no motion recorded, make sure motion/live is turned on in camera settings, then update the camera app or OS and retry. That fixes most compatibility issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.